Angelina. I am 11 years old. I have created a code to display our national flag with a background sound effect and also render a patriotic message. Now I will run the code with display the flag. The flag will wave and the Ashoka Chakra will rotate. The stream effect. When you press the space bar, confetti will be released. Now I will explain my code. I have imported a few libraries to run the program such as Pygame, Sys, Math, Random Time. Configuration. I have set window dimension, flag dimension and color definition. Main functionality of the program: create background gradient, create base flag and chakra parameter, initialize particle and optional sound, draw background, apply waving effect to the flag, creating rotating chakra spokes layer, combined wave flag with rotating chakra, draw flagpole, render title, render fading Independence Day message. Thank you.